last video we discussed about the preparatory procedures of the nitroalkanes. Today I am going to discuss about the important reactions of nitroalkanes. You know that is nitroalkanes. This is the preparatory procedure. Nitro group is introduced. See, the same thing can be converted into the nitration. This is also formed. This is denoted as the ONO. In the last video I explained. Here NO2 is attaching nucleophile. It is an ambident nucleophile. It can form the bond with carbon through nitrogen atom, or it can form the bond by using the lone pair associated with the oxygen. In first case, that is RN double bond O, this is formed. This is called as the nitroalkane. If it uses the oxygen, in that case, that is NO is formed. This is double bond O. This is called as the nitrite. Both are functional isomers. Nitroalkanes, alkyl nitrites are the functional isomers. One thing. The second one is these are more stable. RNO2 nitro compounds are more stable, whereas nitrites are the less stable relatively. And see, there are organic compounds soluble in the water and insoluble in the water, and that's a simple thing. And next one is in this case, now let us consider the properties of the boiling points. These are the boiling points are higher, boiling points are less relatively compared to the nitroalkanes. Alkyl nitrites boiling points are less. See, now let us come to the nitroalkanes are basically classified into the primary, secondary, tertiary nitroalkanes based on the nature of the group connected to them. See, this is the primary nitro because 1 degree nitro compound, because this is the primary carbon, and this is primary nitro compound. Since it is attached to the primary carbon, 1 degree carbon, so this is secondary nitro compound. This is the carbon, this is the 2 degree nitro compound. This is the tertiary nitro compound, where nitro group is connected to the 3 degree carbon atom. See, this is the 3 degree nitro compound. In alkyl halides, in nitro compounds, in alcohols, degree is decided based on the nature of the carbon or degree of the carbon to which, that is NO2 group, other the functional group is connected. In case of alkyl halide, halogen is the functional group. In case of the alcohols, OH group is the functional group. In case of the nitro compounds, NO2 group is the functional group. See, this is the normal. Now, the first property of the nitroalkanes is now tautomerism. They show the tautomerism. This we discussed. Nitro, S-nitro tautomerism. This is, one is the nitro form, S-nitro tautomerism. acynitro tautomerism. The hydrogen present, alpha hydrogen, is highly acidic hydrogen. This is the functional group connected to the carbon. The carbon to which the functional group is attached is the alpha carbon. The hydrogen present on the alpha carbon are called as the alpha hydrogen. These are highly acidic hydrogens. Primary nitro compounds, secondary nitro compounds show the tautomerism. 1,3 shift of proton. This is what happens here. You see, this is the case. This satisfying the addition. This is the minus M group. Minus M group is connected to the carbon, sp3 carbon containing the hydrogen. This is the nitro form. 1,3 shift. You see, 1, 2, 3. 1,3 shift of that is hydrogen. It is possible. This is shifting here. This is now tautomerism. We already discussed this. Acynitro form. This is the oxygen. Nitro form, acynitro form. Tautomerism is possible. See, due to tautomerism, what happens? The alpha hydrogen becomes, this is the alpha hydrogen, becomes acidic hydrogen because it is moving from this place to that place and there to here. Again, acynitro form to nitro form to acynitro form. This is more stable. Nitro form is more stable. This is relatively less stable. So, writing this sign is wrong here. This is the tautomerism, moving from one to other. So this is, and here also, let me write that this is also primary nitro compound, 1 nitropropane. Here also tautomerism is possible. Its corresponding tautomerism is that is cryptomers, that is NOH. This is this one. And if you come to the secondary, that is this is 2 nitropropane. This is the alpha carbon. That is nitro group is connected to the carbon which contains the alpha hydrogen. This is the sp3 carbon with hydrogen to that is the minus M group is attached. Now what happens? That is this is the lone pair shifted here. That is a bond pair shifted here. That is, this is moved, H plus ion is shifted, the corresponding tautomer is, I am not much concentrating the reason, and because you know what this theory, acynitro form of secondary ammonia, right? So this is the nitro form, AC form, tautomerism, I am talking about the tautomerism. Take this is the secondary, there is a hydrogen. This is the sp3 carbon, alpha hydrogen. This is shifting. Due to this, what happens is corresponding tautomer is formed. This is double bond N, OH. This is formed. AC form, nitro form, acynitro form, tautomers. And if you come to the 3-degree nitro compound, that is a 3-degree nitro compound here. Nitro group is present, but this alpha carbon has no hydrogen. For tautomerism, hydrogen is required. Alpha hydrogen is required. That is here no tautomerism. Tautomeric phenomena is not possible here. Tautomerism is not possible here. Only primary and secondary nitro compound show this one. See, you take the aldehydes and ketones containing the alpha hydrogen also shows the ketoenol tautomerism. Due to tautomerism, the alpha hydrogen becomes acidic hydrogen. Here, what happens? This is moving here to here and here to here. If you use the sodium hydroxide, if you use the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, this AC form, that is less stable acid. This is the acynitro form. This is the sodium hydroxide. This OH minus ion here that takes this hydrogen and converts into the that is corresponding anionic form plus water. This is the sodium salt is formed. Primary nitro compound, that is primary nitro compounds react with the sodium hydroxide to form the sodium salts. So we need not say the sodium hydroxide with the any base. And now you take this is this on treatment with the sodium hydroxide. So this on 1-nitropropane on treatment is soluble in it forms the salt, that is CH3 CH2 CH double bond NO minus Na, sodium salt of this is formed. So with this, due to tautomerism, I can say one thing: the alpha hydrogens are the acidic hydrogens. 1, 2, they are soluble in the primary nitro compounds and secondary nitro compounds. Both react with the strong base like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide and convert into their corresponding sodium salts. But whereas tertiary nitro compound, I have removed from here, tertiary nitro compound which do not have the alpha hydrogen cannot react with the sodium hydroxide. Therefore, these two are called as, this is, again I am taking the sodium hydroxide, this is corresponding that is N double bond N O2 minus, and in the short form I am writing that is sodium salt of this is formed. See, primary and nitro compound. Therefore, due to this property, the primary and secondary nitro compounds are called as, that is, pseudo acids. They are called as the pseudo acids. And so they readily react with the sodium hydroxide and convert into the sodium salts. And here, tautomerism is possible, where a tertiary has no reaction. And second thing is, due to this tautomerism, the alpha hydrogen is becoming the highly acidic hydrogen. That is, if it is an acidic hydrogen, replacement is easy, right? If it is an acidic hydrogen, its replacement is very easy. And what is the replacement? Now it is, take the, one is the tautomerism, I told you. Tautomeric properties explained. And at the same time, this is reaction with halogen. Halogen, H2, in sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide base. See what happens if the alpha hydrogens are acidic hydrogens, that can be removed and introduce the halogen atom. So this is, you take the, and in place of the an alpha carbon, halogens can be introduced. The halogenation takes place here. See, for example, you take the CH3NO2. So tautomerism is possible. Why it is acidic? Due to its, see, 2-3 properties. That is this alpha hydrogen, this is minus M group, minus I group. If it lose the H plus ion, resulted carbanion is stabilized through the resonance. Therefore, readily it lose the hydrogen due to tautomerism. Now, if you treat with the chlorine in the presence of the sodium hydroxide, that is slowly all the halogens are replaced, hydrogens are, alpha hydrogens are replaced with this. This is converted into the water. So this is trichloro-nitro, right? Trichloro-nitro, that is methane is formed, which is known as the chloropicrin. So this is also called as the tear gas. So it is a lacrimator which causes the tears. Tear gas shells it is used. It is also used as the insecticide. So that in insecticide. So it is, this is the chloropicrin is formed. So slowly, first step, one chlorine is replaced. Cl2, NO2. How it happens? That is the base comes and takes our hydrogen. This is the nitro methyl carbanion. this reacts with the chlorine, this attacks on this goes out, chlorine. So slowly again and again, that is trichloronitromethane is formed, chloropicrin is formed. So nitromethane to chloropicrin just by treating with this one. If you treat with the bromine and sodium hydroxide, similarly, that is tribromo nitromethane is formed. It is not only for the chlorine, it can be also for the bromine. That is this has a commercial importance. It is used in the tear gas shells, lacrymator. And second one is this is primary, this is CH3, CH2NO2. It is treated with that is chlorine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. The same reaction warming gives, that is only alpha hydrogens are replaced. That is the 1,1-dichloronitromethane is formed. This is alpha halogenation. You can take anything, that is if you take the secondary nitro compound, this on treatment with the chlorine and the bromine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, there is only one alpha hydrogen on the system. Therefore, this is chlorine is introduced. Only one chlorine is introduced. So, 2-chloro, 2-nitro, propane is formed. Alpha halogenation. That is, if you take the nitrocyclohexane, tautomerism is possible. That is chlorine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, that is converted to this is nitro group, this is chlorine. That is alpha halogenation is taking place. So tertiary has no reaction at all, because in case of the tertiary, what happens? This is the replaced with the methyl, this is the alpha carbon, no tautomerism, no hydrogen. There is no place for the substitution on the alpha carbon atom. Therefore, this is the reaction with halogen. So that is due to tautomerism, due to that is the acidic nature of the alpha hydrogen. See, I told you, whether you understand or not, that is if this is the case, why it is nitro compound. See, acidic nature is explained based on the stability of the conjugate base. This is the conjugate base of nitromethane or any alpha hydrogen containing nitro compound. This is stabilized by the resonance. You see. So, anion, negative charge is shifted from the carbon to oxygen. Stability is increased. So, acidic nature. It's an acid. Shows the acid properties. Next one is the second one is that also related to the alpha hydrogen. Third one, reaction with nitrous acid. In the nitrous acid, the active species is NO plus or NO. Nitrization takes place. See, nitrous acid. See, this already we discussed under the heading of the Victor Mayer method and determination of primary, secondary, tertiary degree of the given alcohol. Here what they do, that is and given nitro compound is, by using this detection of (1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree nitroalkanes. That is degree of the nitroalkane can be a primary, secondary, tertiary. The degree of the nitroalkane can be determined by using the nitrous acid. Here what they do, that is for example, you take the primary nitroalkane. I told you this is alpha carbon, this is highly acidic hydrogen because of the tautomerization. And therefore this can be easily replaced. When it is treated with the nitrous acid, nitrosation, nitration takes place. Nitroso group is introduced. This is converted into that is and that's the H. Nitroso group. This is the nitro group. So now whatever it is, that is the nitro group and the nitroso group, both are connected to the same carbon. This is called as the nitrolic acid. Nitrolic acid, it has the blue color. Blue color solution is formed. All primary nitro compounds on treatment with the nitrous acid, blue color solution is formed, that is nitrolic acid. Blue color solution is formed. Then it is on treatment with the sodium hydroxide. So since here is a tautomerism CH3, that is C, double bond, this or this, anything you can take. This is the or it can be this side also. So this can take it, tautomerism this side, both are. This is on treatment with the sodium hydroxide. Then what happens? It reacts with the sodium hydroxide to give this is CnO2 double bond NO-Na plus, or if it is wrong, you can write this side. Sodium can be here and it can be in the nitroso form. This is a red solution. Right? Blue solution, nitrolic acid is converted to sodium salt of nitrolic acid. What is this? Sodium salt of nitrolic acid. All primary nitro due to nitration. So if you take the secondary nitro compound, this changes into the CH3C double bond NOH corresponding acynitro form. Tautomer, just I wrote the tautomer, that's all. This is treated with the sodium hydroxide. This is treated with the, sorry, not required this. To explain this is not required. So this is HNO2, yes, this is taking place there only. Nitration. That is alpha nitration. That is, nitroso group is introduced on this carbon like this. This is alpha nitration. Now what happens? This is N double bond O, that is N double bond O, this is alpha nitration. This is called as a pseudo nitrolic acid. This is called as a pseudo nitrolic acid. Here, nitrolic acid has still one more alpha hydrogen that is undergoing the tautomerization. Here, now after the nitration, there is no alpha hydrogen at all. Alpha hydrogen is not existing at all. And it has no reaction with the sodium hydroxide. Blue solution, and on treatment with this, it remains in the blue color sodium hydroxide. Actually, no reaction with the sodium hydroxide. No reaction with the sodium hydroxide. So that is nitrolic acid, pseudo nitrolic acid are blue in color. On addition of this, it has a further reaction and converted to the sodium salt. It has no reaction with the sodium hydroxide. Blue remains blue. There the blue changes into the red. If you come to the third category, that is tertiary nitro compound. Any tertiary compound, no tautomerism, no alpha hydrogen. On treatment with the HNO2, no reaction at all. So, no color change. On On addition of sodium hydroxide also nothing will happen. See, now by using the nitrous acid we can find out the degree of the given nitro compound. See, if the given nitro compound is first treated with the nitrous acid, if blue color is formed, it can be primary or it can be secondary due to nitrization. If no color is formed, that is 3 degree. To further differentiate the primary and secondary, add the sodium hydroxide. On addition of the sodium hydroxide, if the primary change into, that is on addition of the sodium hydroxide, blue solution change into red solution, it is primary, and finally blue solution is obtained, that is secondary after addition of the sodium hydroxide. No color, that is sodium hydroxide. Or given nitro compound is first treated with the nitrous acid followed by sodium hydroxide. Nitrous acid, after some time sodium hydroxide. Now you check. Red color primary, blue color secondary, no color, that is 3 degree nitro compound. This is the part of the Victor-Meyer test that is used for the identification of the degree of the given alcohol. There also final compounds are same. So therefore this is the case. Again I am telling you, this reaction, nitrous acid reaction, is used on the nitro compound to identify the degree of the nitro compound. Given nitro compound is treated with the two chemicals. One is the nitrous acid, that is NaNO2 plus HCl, followed by sodium hydroxide. Formation of the red solution, that is primary. Formation of the blue solution, secondary. Formation, no coloration, that is tertiary. This is the reaction related to the alpha hydrogen again, right? It is the reaction related to the halogenation. This is also related to the alpha hydrogen. So now what the other reaction is? Next reaction is the reduction of nitroalkanes. Very important reaction. So nitro compounds are mainly important reaction of the nitro compounds is the reduction of nitro compounds. See here the function group I told you. It may be a primary or secondary or tertiary, whatever it is, that is a nitro group is the function group. Now what happens, that is it is easily converted into that is NH2, 1 degree amine. So here it can be a 1 degree amine, a 1 degree nitro compound, 2 degree nitro compound, 3 degree nitro compound, whatever it is. Ultimately on reduction gives that is primary amine is formed. Very important reaction, easy to convert. So this is the one. So reduction. What are the reagents used? What are the reagents used to convert the nitro group into primary amine group? It is one of the important methods of the preparation of that is amines, primary amines. Secondary, tertiary amines cannot be prepared, only primary amine. Primary nitro compound gives primary amine, secondary nitro compound gives primary amine, tertiary nitro compound gives primary amine. Reagents, normally metal plus acid, Fe plus HCl, Sn plus HCl, Zn plus HCl, These are the metal plus acid type reducing agents used. So in addition to this, hydrogen plus nickel and platinum, palladium, the hydrogen plus that's reducing agent. Now the other thing is the lithium aluminium hydride. So all these reagents, if you take any one of these reagents, that is what happens, the nitro compound is converted to the primary amine. That is RNO2 is converted into primary amine only. So it is a functional group interchange. One functional group is converted to other functional group by using the reduction procedure. But this is lithium aluminum hydride. These can also convert the nitrobenzene into aniline. So, but lithium aluminum hydride. Let me take the few examples. That is nitroethane. So, any one of the reducing agent, Fe plus HCl, or any one of those listed reagents, CH2NH2. That is you take the secondary amine, secondary nitro compound. So that is NH2, NO2 is converted into the SN, the same Fe plus HCl or any one of the reagents given listed here. That is NO2 part is converted into the NH2 part. This is converted into this is also from 1 degree amine, not a 2 degree amine. So in case of the primary amines, you know the what reason. Amines, the degree is decided based on that is and based on the number of alkyl groups present on this is the tertiary amine. Tertiary nitro compound, 3 degree nitro compound. But on treatment with the subjected to the reduction with any one of these reagents, that is converted into the NH2 CH3. 2 methyl, 2 amino, 2 methyl propane or that is the isobutyl, tertiary butyl amine is formed. So that is and only primary amines preparation is convenient by this method. The other amines, secondary, tertiary cannot be used for prepared. So one of the reducing agents. This is the H minus. This is the H dot. This is the H dot. Sorry. This is the electronic reducing agents. Electronic reducing agents. Electronic reducing agents. Suppose if you use the other A, this is the A, and in this B part is normally that is zinc plus ammonium aqueous solution of ammonium chloride. This is considered as the reduction in the acid medium, neutral medium. This is slightly acidic. That is the neutral medium. This is one. This is another. This one. Here in this case, if the nitro compound is, it may be a primary or secondary, whatever it is, this on treatment with the zinc plus HCl, other reducing agent, it is considered as the reduction in the neutral media. Here it is converted to the hydroxylamine. This is N-alkyl hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine. Let me take methyl nitromethane. So this is treatment with the Sn plus HCl or Zn plus HCl, that is just it is converted into the amino group. The same nitromethane, if you use the zinc plus not HCl, ammonium chloride, which is slightly acidic, or we call it as it is a reduction in the acid media, it is considered as a reduction in the neutral media. This is converted into the CH3NHOH. This is called as the hydroxyl, not hydroxylamine, methyl hydroxyl amine is formed. You can take anything that is here, this on treatment with that is zinc plus ammonium chloride, primary amine only, CH3, CH2, nitro group is converted to the hydroxylamine, N-ethyl hydroxyl amine is formed. N-ethyl hydroxyl amine is formed. If you take this also, that is 3 degree. That is it. No 2 degree here. Let me write the 2 degree. This is CH3, CH2 nitropropane is the 2 degree NO2. This on treatment with the zinc plus ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, reduction in the neutral media, CH3, CH3, CH3. This is NHOH. This is isopropyl hydroxylamine. This is converted to this on treatment with the zinc plus ammonium chloride, that gives the corresponding tertiary butyl hydroxylamine. If you want to say more accurately, N tertiary butyl hydroxylamine is formed. So here, and you can use the lithium aluminum hydride also for the first category to convert into the primary amine. So now let us take the another reduction part is over. It is mainly used for the preparation of the primary amines. Primary amines from nitro compounds. Methane to methane to aniline. Sorry, methane to methyl amine. Simple nitration, but methane nitration is difficult. One thing, nitration, nitromethane. This on concentrated HNO3 or fuming nitric acid. Normally you call it as around 400 degrees Celsius. This is treated with the Sm plus HCl or lithium aluminium hydride. So this on treatment with the zinc plus ammonium chloride, that gives the CH3 NHOH hydroxylamine is formed. So the next thing is the hydrolysis of, that is a hydrolysis part. Hydrolysis of and hydrolysis of nitroalkanes. So reagent is, that is and sulfuric acid is used, dilute H2SO4 is used, and heating is carried. Primary nitro compounds produce the carboxylic acid. Secondary nitro compounds on hydrolysis produce the ketones. Primary nitro compounds and secondary nitro compounds. See, you take the CH3, CH2, that is one nitropropane ethane, primary. This on treatment with hydrolysis, aqueous H2SO4 is used. This gives the CH3, this is alpha carbon. The tautomerism is responsible, that is acetic acid is formed and hydroxyl amine is formed. Hydroxyl amine are the products of the reaction. And if you take anything, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 nitrobutane primary, this on hydrolysis gives the 1, 2, 3, 4 butanoic acid. This is the star carbon. this is converted into the hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine is produced. If you take the secondary nitro compound, this is 2-nitropropane, secondary, 2 degree, this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, this on hydrolysis, same. There is a tautomerism on the acid-nitro form, that is N2O, nitric oxide is formed here. This is the reaction. From the primary nitro compounds, carboxylic acid, and secondary nitro compounds, we can prepare that is some ketones can be prepared. And the last reaction of this is the Neff reaction. NEF. It is similar to I have not taken the tertiary. In case of the tertiary, that is the acid-nitroformic tautomerism is not possible. Here what happens, this is and if you see the mechanism of the reaction, that is H double bond N OH, this is the acid-nitroform tautomerism. So the addition of water is taking place here. Here water. So first, second, that is converting into the carboxylic acid. In case of the tertiary, that is tautomerism is not possible, that does not undergo the hydrolysis. So that is only hydrolysis is possible on the primary nitro compounds to give the carboxylic acids, secondary nitro compound to give the ketones, the Neff reaction. See, this also only primary and secondary nitro compounds take part in the Neff reaction. What is this Neff reaction? It is nothing. It is similar to the hydrolysis of the sodium salt of hydrolysis of the primary and secondary nitro compounds. Here reactants are sodium salt of nitro compound, sodium salts of nitrolic acids, sodium salt of nitro compounds. I told you that is due to tautomerism, that is primary and secondary nitro compounds are soluble in the water, strong sodium hydroxide, and convert into strong base and convert into their sodium salts. Suppose if you take here primary nitro compound produce the aldehydes. Here aldehydes. Secondary nitro compounds produce the ketones. 3 degree. No reaction. On what? That is which take part in the primary sodium salt of primary nitro compound, sodium salt of secondary nitro compound. If this is sodium salt is not possible at all, and no reaction at all. See what happens when sodium salt of 1 degree nitro compound is treated with the 50% H2SO4 solution. The hydrolyzed by using the 50% this one. Here aldehyde is formed plus nitrous oxide, and sodium salt of 2 degree nitro compound on treatment with the 50% H2SO4, that is ketone is formed. So it is mainly used for the sodium salt of primary and secondary nitro compound on hydrolysis produce. That is aldehydes and ketones. This is also called as the Neff reaction of carbonyl compounds preparation. So now let me take this one. CH3, CH2, that is N double bond O. This on treatment with the sodium hydroxide. How to prepare the sodium salt? You know that this is the tautomerizes to give the that is double bond NOH. This is S-nitro form. Nitro form, S-nitro form. They are always in equilibrium because of that only. Now what happens if you treat with the sodium hydroxide? It is converted into the sodium it's nothing but this is reacts with the sodium hydroxide and produce this one. We write it as the CH3 CH double bond NO2 Na. This is the sodium salt. So we are not conducting the hydrolysis on the primary nitro compound. Remember, we are conducting the hydrolysis with 50% sulfuric acid solution on sodium salt of the primary and secondary nitro compounds. This is this one. This on hydrolysis. So 50% H2SO4 solution heating, that is, this is converted to the aldehyde. Aldehyde and sodium bisulfate plus N2. This is the reaction. So nitroethane is converted to acetaldehyde. See what is happening? That is, treat with the sodium hydroxide and then heat with the dilute H2SO4. This is one of the procedures of the preparation of the aldehydes. And if you take the CH3, CH3, see this is the hydrogen, this is a nitro compound, this is CH3, CH3 double bond NO2 Na. On treatment, this is the not like that. OH, this is AC form. This on treatment with the sodium hydroxide. Now it gives the sodium salt of CH3, CH3 double bond NO2 minus Na plus. It is the sodium salt of secondary nitro compound. So to explain, we have to take that intermediate. Now we are conducting the hydrolysis on this. That is, if you carry out the hydrolysis, heat it. That is, acetone is formed. Ketone is formed plus nitrous oxide plus sodium bisulfate in HSO4. So anything that is the secondary nitro compound to ketone, primary nitro compound to aldehyde. That is a hydrolysis with the dilute H2SO4 is called as a Neff reaction. The Neff reaction is it can be used for the preparation of the aldehydes and ketones. So the conversion of the nitro compounds into that is the aldehydes and ketone carbonyl compounds is the Neff reaction, and that is the primary nitro compound on treatment with the sodium hydroxide followed by hydrolysis with the sulfuric acid gives the aldehyde, whereas secondary nitro compound under similar condition, that is the reaction with the sodium hydroxide followed by that is hydrolysis with the dilute H2SO4 gives the ketone. Aldehydes, ketones can be prepared by this procedures. So this is the important reactions of the nitroalkanes. That is, let us extend in the next video to the nitrobenzene preparation and the properties of the nitrogen.